A asterisk credit card asterisk is one of the most widely used financial products in the world. It allows individuals to make purchases or pay for services using a line of credit provided by a bank or financial institution. Unlike a debit card, which typically uses money already available in a bank account, a credit card lets the cardholder borrow money up to an approved asterisk credit limit asterisk and repay it later according to the card agreement. When a person applies for a credit card, the issuing bank evaluates factors such as income, employment, existing financial obligations, repayment history, and asterisk credit score asterisk or asterisk credit history asterisk, where applicable. Based on this assessment, the lender decides whether to approve the application and determines the available credit limit. Every credit card has a unique card number, expiration date, security code, and advanced security features. Most modern cards include asterisk EMV chip technology asterisk, support asterisk contactless payments asterisk, and may require additional verification for online transactions through multi-factor authentication or one-time security codes. Using a credit card is straightforward. When a purchase is made, the bank temporarily pays the merchant on behalf of the cardholder. The amount becomes part of the customer's outstanding balance, which can usually be repaid by the payment due date. Depending on the card agreement, paying the full statement balance on time may help avoid interest charges on eligible purchases. Credit cards can be used for many everyday transactions, including shopping, travel bookings, hotel reservations, dining, utility bill payments, subscription services, and online purchases. In many countries, they are also commonly used for international payments because they are widely accepted by merchants worldwide. There are several types of credit cards available. Some are designed for everyday spending, while others focus on asterisk travel rewards asterisk, cashback asterisk, business expenses asterisk, student banking asterisk, or asterisk premium lifestyle benefits. The available features depend on the issuing financial institution and the specific card product. One important concept is the asterisk credit limit asterisk, which represents the maximum amount a cardholder can borrow at any given time. Responsible use generally involves keeping spending within affordable limits and avoiding unnecessary debt. Exceeding the credit limit, where permitted, may result in additional fees or restrictions depending on the card issuer's policies. Many credit cards also provide additional benefits. These may include purchase protection, fraud monitoring, travel-related services, reward points, cashback programs, extended warranties on eligible purchases, or promotional financing offers. However, the availability of these features varies between financial institutions and card products. Credit cards also contribute to building a asterisk credit history asterisk in many countries. Making payments on time and managing credit responsibly may help strengthen a person's credit profile, which can influence eligibility for future financial products such as personal loans, auto loans, or mortgages. Credit reporting systems vary by country and financial institution. Before applying for a credit card, it is important to compare annual fees, interest rates, reward programs, foreign transaction fees, grace periods, customer service, and other terms. Reading the complete card agreement helps cardholders understand their financial responsibilities and avoid unexpected charges. Although credit cards offer convenience and financial flexibility, they should be used responsibly. Borrowing only what can be comfortably repaid and understanding the card's terms and conditions are essential for maintaining good financial health. In Asterisk Part 2 Asterisk, we will discuss asterisk credit card billing cycles, interest charges, minimum payments, rewards, security, fraud prevention, common mistakes, and smart credit card management. Asterisk educational disclaimer. This video is intended for educational purposes only and should not be considered financial, legal, tax, or investment advice. Credit card products, fees, interest rates, consumer protections, and regulations vary by country and financial institution. Always review your card issuer's official terms and conditions before using a credit card.
Using a credit card responsibly involves more than making purchases. Understanding billing cycles, payment due dates, interest charges, credit utilization, and security features can help cardholders manage their finances effectively while reducing the risk of unnecessary debt. Every credit card operates on a billing cycle, which is the period during which transactions are recorded. At the end of each cycle, the card issuer generates a statement showing purchases, payments, fees, credits, and the total outstanding balance. The statement also includes the payment due date and the minimum payment required under the card agreement. One of the most important financial concepts is the grace period. For many credit cards, if the full statement balance is paid by the due date, eligible purchases may not incur interest. However, if only part of the balance is paid, interest may be charged according to the terms of the card agreement. Since policies vary by issuer, cardholders should carefully review their specific conditions. The minimum payment is the smallest amount required to keep the account in good standing. Although paying the minimum may prevent late payment penalties in some situations, it can result in the remaining balance continuing to accrue interest. Paying the full statement balance whenever possible may reduce overall borrowing costs and support healthier financial management. Another important concept is credit utilization, which refers to the percentage of available credit currently being used. In many credit reporting systems, consistently using only a reasonable portion of the available credit while making on-time payments may contribute to a stronger credit profile over time. Credit scoring methods vary by country and institution. Many credit cards include reward programs that offer cashback, travel points, airline miles, hotel benefits, or discounts on eligible purchases. While these programs can provide value, spending should always be based on actual financial needs rather than earning rewards alone. Responsible budgeting remains more important than promotional incentives. Security is a major feature of modern credit cards. Banks often use EMV chip technology, transaction monitoring, encryption, fraud detection systems, contactless payment security, and two-factor authentication, 2FA, for online purchases. Many mobile banking apps also allow users to receive instant transaction alerts and temporarily lock their card if suspicious activity occurs. Cardholders should never share their card number, security code, PIN, passwords, or one-time verification codes with anyone. Be cautious of phishing emails, fraudulent phone calls, text messages, or fake websites requesting sensitive financial information. If you receive an unexpected request, contact your bank directly using its official customer service channels. Late payments may lead to additional fees, interest charges, and a negative impact on credit history where applicable. Setting up payment reminders or automatic payments can help reduce the risk of missing due dates. Regularly reviewing account statements also helps identify unauthorized transactions quickly. Another common mistake is treating a credit card as extra income. A credit limit represents borrowed funds that must eventually be repaid. Spending beyond one's repayment ability can create long-term financial challenges. Creating a monthly budget and using the card only for affordable expenses supports better financial stability. Before accepting any credit card offer, compare annual fees, interest rates, foreign transaction fees, reward programs, customer service, and other important terms. Reading the complete card agreement ensures you understand your rights, responsibilities, and the total cost of using the card. A credit card is a valuable financial tool when used wisely. Responsible spending, timely repayments, careful budgeting, and understanding the card's features can help cardholders enjoy convenience while maintaining strong financial health. Thank you for watching this educational series on credit cards. We explored how credit cards work, billing cycles, interest, minimum payments, rewards, security features, fraud prevention, and practical tips for responsible credit management. We hope this information helps you make informed financial decisions. Educational disclaimer: this video is intended for educational purposes only and should not be considered financial, legal, tax, or investment advice. Credit card products, interest rates, fees, consumer protections, and regulations vary by country and financial institution. Always review your card issuer's official terms and conditions before making